I've worked on a lot of different brands and a lot of different companies over the years, but it's really exciting to get up in the morning and work for a company that you know puts out the highest quality tools that consumers love.
What's up, guys? I got another tool here from the Master Group. It's the Klein 5-in-1.
I think it's important that Klein Tools are made in America because the family has made a commitment to American manufacturing. The family has been manufacturing here since 1857, and they'll always be manufacturing in America. We're in Mansfield, Texas, at our manufacturing headquarters. This is one of our 10 facilities in 6 states. It was really just, Mathias Klein Tool Company, and then it was Mathias Klein and Sons, and then it was Klein Tools. It's a family-owned business. 6th-generation descendants are still running the company. The products that we make here in America is a wide variety of things. The things that people know us for are pliers, screwdrivers, and nut drivers.
You already know Klein Tools makes great tools. This is the first one that you need.
And they've really been the hallmark of the company for about 150 years.
The first step is that we receive our forgings from Elk Grove Village, Illinois. The forgings start off as a 20-foot bar of steel, and basically we heat up the steel until it's bright orange and cut it to length, and then a robot gripper grabs it, and then 2 forging dice pound the steel until it looks like this. First operation is we drill the hole, then the cutting edges, and then the knurl. Then we take the 2 plier halves and put them together, insert the rivet, weld the plier halves together, and then grind the rivet heads off. So after we machine the pliers, this is what they look like. This is the rivet hole, this is the cutting edge, and these are the knurls.
Every year we make millions and millions of pliers and screwdrivers to keep up with the demand of our customers. The customers are really fans of the brand.
It's my favorite Klein tool as of right now.
And every time I meet somebody and they tell me their story about how they use Klein Tools or how their grandfather used Klein Tools, I love those stories. I love meeting people. I love seeing the passion and the interest and the care that people put into all of their hand tools and their job. You don't find that every day, that customers have such an interest in a brand. They buy one thing, they buy another thing, but with Klein, people only buy Klein because they love it.
This is one of my favorite tools in the whole wide world.
Perhaps one of my most favorite stories was there was an electrician coming home from the job one day. He was in a car accident. His car flipped. He was hanging upside down, only held in by his seatbelt. The EMT pulls out their scissors and they're trying to get through the safety belt to try and release the guy because he's hanging upside down. The scissors won't work. The electrician pulls out a pair from his pocket and says, "Here, try these." Right through the seatbelt like butter. The guy falls down. They're able to extricate him and save him. The EMT says, "I gotta get a pair of those. What are they?" Guy says, "These are my Klein Tools scissors." What makes Klein truly an iconic company? There's a lot of care and compassion and passion that goes into making those tools. We have such an incredible product pipeline. We launch over 100 and some new products every year. A lot of people just think of us as a plier or a screwdriver company, but we are launching all kinds of new products, going into new categories, servicing new industries, providing new solutions. We're now getting into things like PPE, hard hats, and knee pads, and eye protection. We just keep growing, adding space, adding capacity, adding machines, and adding people. So when they say everything's bigger in Texas, that's what it means to us, is keep adding because there's plenty of space to do it. We're in it for the long haul, and the family is really building a legacy. The 6th generation wants to build something for the 7th generation, and so on and so on. And our customers see that, and they gravitate towards it because they know that Klein isn't just the name of our products, it's the name of the family, it's the name of the company, and it has to live up to that heritage.